Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is kind of a fun video. It's the weekend and we are up working on our little camper that we have, and I thought I would just take you through what we're working on this weekend, and then update these videos as we work on it. We've had this camper for about 8 years, and we've just been working on it when we've had time, and which is not very much time. But anyway, that is what this video is gonna be about. So stay tuned. Okay, I haven't shown you this. We had bought this camper, I think 8 years ago, and we bought it with the intentions of redoing it, obviously, but life had other plans for us. Anyway, we're working on it, and I wanted to show you. So I'll post a before picture of what it looked like before we tore it all apart. And then this is where we're at right now. So today we're gonna work on the floor. And what we've already done is we put tongue and groove on the ceiling and right here. And this is all gonna get painted. And then right here. We had to replace a spot right here where it was all rotted out. This is a 1965 Nomad camper, so it's pretty old. We're gonna forego the bathrooms and the shower in here, because probably we'll be in a campground with one or not. We can go a few days without one. But anyway, I will take you through the process of the floor and what we're gonna use, and try to keep updating this until we're done. Okay, tell them what floor you're using.
This is a vinyl plank faux wood flooring. Actually using this is actually like an industrial type flooring glue. It's a water based.
And why are you doing this instead of using the peel and stick?
Because I found these on Facebook Marketplace. Really good deal. These are actually really expensive tiles, and with a peel and stick floor, I'd actually have to either paint or prime the whole floor with a heavy body paint to seal up the floor. Otherwise the adhesive wouldn't have anything to stick to. These porous surfaces, like this still has like a paper type surface from the old laminate that we pulled out. So if you're going over top of an existing laminate floor or something with a smooth surface, just make sure it's clean. Use the peel and stick. If it's plywood or anything like that with a porous surface, you'll want to seal that up first so it will adhere. Not only that, but if you ever get water going through it, those peel and stick ones don't seal on the edges. It'll seep through and swell the wood and just create more of a problem.
Okay, just a little update. This is how far we've gotten. It's not easy when you're working in small spots. We're going to finish this and then inside of these. Do you have anything you want to say?
No.
Okay, so last night we didn't finish quite the floor, but we came up today and we finished all of it, and I just want to give you a little overview. So, looks good. We did decide to do it in here so that we could store things in there without them getting dirty. And in there. We might do some of it on the wheel wells too. We're not sure yet, but they're all going to be covered because right here is where the kitchen part is. And then this is where the bathroom and shower were, but we decided to take those out and we're just going to do like some shelves there so we can store like our camping stuff and bedding because there's not a whole lot of spots for that. So let me just tell you, I didn't tell you this in the last one, but this folds out to a full-size bed, and then over here where the table goes, that turns into a bed, and then up here there's a little thing that folds down, and then that turns into like a bunk bed. So for our family of 5, it fits perfect because we could probably put 2 kids here and 1 kid up there, and then this is big enough over here for us. So we're so excited about it. I'm gonna put in some photos here of like the process that we've taken so far, and then I will just keep updating putting up updated videos as we work on it. Like I said, that we've owned this for several years, and we just get to work on it in our spare time. So it might be another year before it's done, but hopefully not. Okay, there's still a lot of work to be done. This is not, we have taken this clear down to the studs and rebuilt this. You can see all this is new. But we are going to have to replace the windows. What else are we working on? What else are we gonna do? We have to do?
Well, 2 of the pieces of glass broke. I gotta finish polishing 2 of the windows because I actually pulled out, disassembled the windows and polished all of the aluminum. Gotta rebuild the inside of this door because, as you can see, the whole thing bends right here because the studs inside it are rotted out. I've rebuilt the entire back section of it, like all the plywood, everything underneath, including the door, had been rotted out. I mean, this is a 1965 camper that was built with wood studs instead of, nowadays they use aluminum. So a lot of this stuff was replaced and repaired. Still quite a bit to do on it from another person's perspective. There isn't much left to do, but there's still quite a bit of work, and that's why it's taken us 8 years to get to this point. So I'm hoping to get it done, at least use it once this year. So wiring, doing the cabinets, painting, polishing some of the windows, rebuilding the door, and then it's just the little things.
Like putting back the kitchen with the stove and the fridge and the water and
gas lines, making sure nobody dies, stuff like that.